Is this the #1 screen protector for the OnePlus 6T?
I don't know.
What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the Omoton glass screen protector for the OnePlus 6T. Now this is a 2-pack currently available on Amazon for $9.99 with Prime shipping. It does have a 4-star rating, so it's been getting great reviews, but let's find out if it's any good. Let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. And I think we can just crack this plastic out like this. Am I gonna need the unboxing knife? I don't think so. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and take out the unboxing knife. Cut away, not towards. There you go. Bam. One thing I like about this, it does give you a tray so you can align the screen protector on there just perfectly. You do have all your accessories tools, your installation tools, and 2 screen protectors here. You do have 2. They feel very premium, these, and they're clear. Look at that. Bam. Hopefully these fit. So let's go ahead and bring out the OnePlus T. Now this one right here is the Oral 01. Works pretty good. I didn't have any issues with this one right here. This one's still a good one. I'll leave the video right there so you can go ahead and click on it if you want to check this one out. But this one is done for now. Let's go ahead and prep our device. Boom. Alright, so the installation is done. I do got a little bit of air gaps there, air bubbles, but I think those will go away within 24 hours. Just got to work them, and then they will gradually disappear over time, but they're not too bad. Just got to work them off. Now, I did notice that the screen protector had some weird glue issues here on top of the camera, but that doesn't bother me because it's not on the screen itself. Let's go ahead and power this on. As you can see, it's just a little bit short. I think I should have gone a little bit higher. That's probably my fault there. As you can see, it's just right below. It just missed the mark, and it is a little bit. We can go a little bit higher there. I should have probably pushed towards that end instead of go towards the bottom. So we'll go ahead and peel this off. Put this back on here. Now you want to align that first and then drop it. Bam. That's how we want to do it. And then let's go ahead and put this back on here. Note to self: start at the top and then release down. So let's go ahead and take that off. We'll remove the rest of the bubbles later. Does cover the whole, see, it's not too bad for reapplying it again. Actually, it does cover the screen, the whole display, actually not the whole screen but the display itself, and it does leave a gap from the edge, so it will be case friendly. Let's go ahead and get this 2D case that I've been rocking with and loving. Bam, as you can see, fits very good. I do got some air bubbles here. Those will go away within 24 hours, I think. Just work them. They'll gradually disappear, but this is not a bad one. It does get good reviews. Initially, I messed up by installing it. When I put the tray on, I went bottom first, but you want to push against the top, install the top, and then drop it this way so you can get perfect alignment. Looks good, feels good. Let's see if the screen protector works. Good, that's a sign of a good one. If you resync it, it's probably going to work even better. As you can see, it's working flawlessly. All right, guys, there you have it. That is the Omoton screen protector, a 2-pack from Amazon. $9.99 with Prime shipping. Link will be in the description. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. I'll try to answer to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.